Hey YouTube, welcome back guys. So today we have another problem or dilemma. I got one of the olive tree and then the root missing the sprinkler piping down there. You see the root, it is pretty thick, and I had to use a chisel to break it off. So once I break it out, somehow this tube, it fell down there further down because the root is pushing the pipe upward. So that's why there's a breakage right there. So because every time when the sprinkler come on, every morning I see like a sand. You see like a sand right there. And I knew something is wrong because probably the pipe is broken. That's my initial feeling. But as you can see, I had to dig and get my hand dirty. And this is the olive tree. You see the root is overgrowing on top of all this rock. So yeah, since I dig out everything, hopefully the gardener is not going to charge me too much. Last time it messed up one of the sprinkler system in the front. Let me show you. It was somewhere over here. Oh, as you can see, so it's almost similar to the other one, the broken. Looks like a L angle that was broken off last time, and I still have it here. So yeah, if you have a big tree, you gotta watch out for the root, or it's gonna mess up your sprinkler system, and hopefully it's not gonna mess up my piping for the house. So yeah. I'm not sure how is he gonna fix this because the root is still down there and pushing against the pipe, unless he has a special extension. Because this one you can unscrew it out, but as you can see, that one has a blue glue, so that one's glued on. So anyway, I'm gonna wait for him to come by, and I'm not sure he can fix it. So here are some of the root that I chiseled off, as you can see. Anyway, I'm gonna wait for him. I think he's gonna come a little bit later in the afternoon, so hopefully I can catch him and then fix this and get it over with. So unfortunately I cannot film it. He was doing the work right away. So actually what I told him to do is to cap it off the L angle from the white pipe, and lucky that white pipe was connecting to the black L angle to the sprinklers. So actually I think that one of the sprinkler was around this side, but I told him I don't need a sprinkler head right here because I don't have any plants over here. So I just told him to cap it off with the black cap. So that was a quick fix. We don't have to do anything, attach a new pipe or anything like that. So yeah, so I was pretty happy. Don't need to buy any parts or anything like that. So I could get a more expensive. So, and I asked him how much. He said magic. So he hooked me up for free. But I gave him like for the popsicle, and he was pretty satisfied. So yeah, and that's that. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit the subscribe button, turn on that bell for notification, or drop any other comments on below. And thank you for watching. I'll see you guys on the next video. Like always, peace.